Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Sarah. Today we are going to be doing a video about how I curl my BELLAMI extensions and how I keep them lasting for at least a week and a half and without being too crunchy because of hairspray, just light, bouncy, and then even when they fall effortlessly, and we love that. So I'm just going to be showing you guys just how I go through the process, which products I use, and yeah. We're going to be using the tripod and this Remington wand curler that I ended up getting, I want to say randomly from Target or CVS or something. Likely Target though. Also, we already know the holy grail, the truth right here. This Garnier Fructis Sleek&Shine. Like, you guys will see inside of the voiceover portion that it gives it like a greasy look. But I trust, like, come on. Does this look greasy? Not at all, right? It just like eats it up. The hair just eats it up. So I do reapply multiple times throughout the day. I won't even lie, especially now that it's been about 10 months. The hair is definitely starting to really show its deterioration. I mean, I know you can't tell right now. I know you can't tell because it looks absolutely incredible, I know. But the hair is starting to lose its life a little. But we are here today to show you that even though the hair is losing its life, you can always bring it right on back. No problems, no issues. We have the products here. So, I'll just go ahead, let you guys get into the next portion, and I hope you enjoy. If you like this video, please like it, and please comment what you guys would like to see next. And yeah, thanks. Hello, welcome to the voiceover portion. Let's go over the products first that we'll be using. First, we'll be definitely using the Remington wand curler. I did end up finding out I got it from Target. It was $25.99, which I think is a great deal, especially for how great it works. And I've had it for a while and I forget to turn it off all the time, and it has that auto turn off, which is obviously amazing. We'll also be using the bed head hairspray. I also use this hairspray when I would wear wigs, and I would use this to adhere my wigs down. It's super sticky, but it really gets the job done. And if you don't use too much, it doesn't leave it too crispy. Be better than me with that spout. Y'all see that? Oof, questionable. Little water, get rid of that, you know, a little, that's an understatement. Definitely gonna need a lot of water for that. We'll also be using the Garnier Fructis Silk&Shine. You guys, this is the holy grail. Like, I'm telling you, there's gonna be a portion here I showed you that where the hair is just dry, and then I put that on it, and it gives it like that really greasy look. But I'm telling you guys, like that, it just dissipates to the hair, just dissolves. It's amazing. But is that amazing? I don't know. But anyway, this is me clipping it onto the Mannequin Head. I will also have the Mannequin Head on the bottom. I'm sorry, everything will be listed inside the description in the bottom for you guys, if you want any of the products that we're using here. So yes, I'm just using a regular old weaving cap to just put the clip-ins on. And because it's just clipping right onto that weaving cap, I don't have to really concern myself with any tugging or anything like that because it's staying clipped onto there, which is awesome. And we're just gonna go through and curl each piece. I will be curling both the regular classic extensions and the silk seam extensions. I'll come back and talk to you guys once we get to the silk seam. But, you know, let's just chill, you know, listen to a little music and wand curl some hair. these are the silk seams. As you can see, the hair curls exactly the same on both the silk seam and the classic extensions. Okay, do you see this hair? Look at this. Rub that through the hands, just right onto the hair. Look at that, okay? Just brought it right on back. She was dying, and she said, no, you ain't putting me in no grave. Right down, all right? That greasy look goes away immediately, I promise. You see? Look, love it. So I figured that since throughout I was just basically just curling the hair, you can see what I'm doing. I didn't go just too in depth talking about it, but if you want me to talk more in depth about it, I 100% can. I don't really do any particular method. I curl away from my face, but the thing is I don't like when my curls are too uniform. So sometimes I'll alternate, and you saw some of the times I didn't really know what to do with my hands and my arms and stuff like that, and you don't have to be perfect with it, you know? So you just kind of put the curls in, and it's always going to turn out looking really good, I feel like, even if they're not going all the same way. If they are going the same way, that's like one of the great things that I love about just wand curls in general. Thank you so much for watching and clicking this video. I hope that you got, a little something out of it. As you can see, the hair turned out, oof, look at that, guys. Too good. Hope I see you next time. Bye.